Welcome to another powerful episode on Financial Mastery Insights. Today we're diving into the game-changing blueprint that takes you from zero to financial hero. The 7 proven habits of self-made millionaires that have transformed tech-savvy dreamers into billion-dollar success stories. In this video, you're not just learning theory, you're unlocking the real-world strategies that turned everyday people into financial powerhouses using discipline, tech-driven thinking, and relentless execution. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to scale your success in the digital world, these habits are your exact roadmap to building unstoppable wealth. Picture this. You wake up each morning not just chasing money, but with a crystal clear vision for your financial empire, backed by systems that actually work. That's the kind of mindset we're about to build together. From mastering money flow and strategic investing, to leveling up with constant self-education and leveraging AI for growth, these habits are the key to elevating both your bank account and your entire lifestyle. But here's the truth. Success isn't instant. It's not luck. It's built on daily action, discipline, and a bold willingness to break out of your comfort zone. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with millionaire habits that could redefine your future. Let's unlock the Millionaire code and start building your digital empire today. Habit 1. Goal setting. Setting clear and achievable financial goals is the cornerstone of success for self-made millionaires. These individuals understand that having a well-defined vision is crucial for steering their financial journey. They don't just dream about wealth, they create a roadmap that outlines exactly how to get there. By defining their goals, they can focus their efforts and resources on what truly matters. To help you on your path, let's explore the SMART criteria for goal setting. First, make your goals specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, specify an amount, like, I want to save $10,000. Next, ensure your goals are measurable so you can track your progress. Achievable means setting realistic targets that challenge you but are still within reach. Your goals should be relevant, aligning with your broader life aspirations. Finally, make them time-bound by setting deadlines, like, I want to achieve this by the end of the year. Now, here's a practical tip. Take a moment to write down your financial aspirations. Putting pen to paper not only solidifies your commitment, but also serves as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. Remember, clarity in your goals is the first step toward turning your financial dreams into reality. Habit 2. Continuous learning. Lifelong learning and self-education are vital habits that set self-made millionaires apart from the rest. Successful individuals understand that knowledge is power, and they continuously invest in their skills and expertise to stay ahead in an ever-changing world. By committing to personal growth, they not only enhance their capabilities, but also open doors to new opportunities. To embark on your own journey of continuous learning, consider exploring a variety of resources. Books are a fantastic starting point. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Mind by Thomas J. Stanley offer invaluable insights into wealth-building strategies. Online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy can help you acquire new skills at your own pace, while attending seminars and workshops provides networking opportunities and first-hand knowledge from industry experts. Adopting a growth mindset is essential for embracing continuous learning. This means viewing challenges as opportunities to learn rather than obstacles. Stay curious and seek out new information regularly, whether through podcasts, webinars, or even discussions with mentors. Remember, the more you learn, the more equipped you become to navigate the complexities of financial success. So make a commitment today to invest in your knowledge and watch how it transforms your journey toward wealth. Habit 3. Networking. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals is a crucial habit for self-made millionaires. The connections you cultivate can lead to invaluable opportunities, collaborations, and insights that can significantly enhance your financial journey. Successful individuals understand that it's not just about what you know, but also who you know. A robust network can open doors to partnerships, mentorships, and even potential investors. To effectively network, start by identifying your goals and the types of connections you want to make. Attend industry-related events, workshops, and seminars where you can meet people who share your interests. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself and engage in meaningful conversations. Remember, networking is about building relationships, not just exchanging business cards. In today's digital age, online networking is equally important. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your field. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to showcase your expertise and learn from others. Additionally, consider volunteering or participating in community events to expand your network locally. Engaging with your community not only helps you meet new people, but also establishes your presence and credibility. So, take the initiative to build your network and watch how these connections can propel you toward your financial goals. Habit 4, financial literacy. Understanding personal finance and investment is a fundamental habit for anyone aspiring to achieve financial success. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, ensuring that you can effectively manage your resources and grow your wealth. Key concepts such as budgeting, saving, and investing are essential to grasp. Budgeting allows you to track your income and expenses, helping you identify areas where you can cut costs and save more. Saving is crucial for building an emergency fund and preparing for future investments. Investing, on the other hand, is where your money can work for you, generating returns over time. To enhance your financial literacy, there are numerous resources available. Podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show and Bigger Pockets Money offer valuable insights into personal finance and investment strategies. Additionally, blogs such as The Motley Fool and NerdWallet provide articles and guides that can help you navigate the complexities of finance. Taking control of your finances starts with education. By dedicating time to learn about these key concepts, you'll be better equipped to make sound financial decisions. Remember, the more knowledgeable you become, the more confident you'll feel in managing your money. So invest in your financial education today and pave the way for a prosperous future. Habit 5, resilience. Resilience is a vital habit that distinguishes self-made millionaires from others, especially when it comes to overcoming challenges and setbacks. Life is full of obstacles, and the ability to bounce back from adversity is what ultimately leads to success. Many self-made millionaires have faced significant hardships on their journey. For instance, Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks, grew up in a poor neighborhood but persevered to build a global coffee empire. His story exemplifies how resilience can turn challenges into stepping stones for success. To develop a resilient mindset, start by embracing a positive attitude. Focus on solutions rather than problems, and practice gratitude to shift your perspective. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who encourage you to keep pushing forward. Additionally, set realistic goals and break them down into manageable steps, allowing you to celebrate small victories along the way. It's essential to view failures as learning opportunities rather than roadblocks. Each setback can provide valuable lessons that contribute to your growth. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding difficulties, but rather about facing them head-on and emerging stronger. By cultivating resilience, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of your financial journey, ultimately leading you closer to your goals. Embrace the challenges and let them fuel your determination to succeed. Habit 6, time management. Effective time management is a crucial habit that successful individuals master to maximize their productivity and achieve their goals. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to prioritize tasks and set deadlines can make all the difference in reaching financial success. By focusing on what truly matters, you can allocate your time and energy more efficiently, ensuring that you make steady progress toward your aspirations. One effective technique is the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. This method allows you to identify which tasks require immediate attention and which can be scheduled for later. Additionally, setting specific deadlines for each task can create a sense of urgency and keep you accountable. To enhance your productivity, consider using tools and apps like Trello, Asana, or Todoist. These platforms help you organize tasks, set reminders, and track your progress, making it easier to stay on top of your responsibilities. Take a moment to evaluate how you currently spend your time. Are there activities that consume your hours without contributing to your goals? By making adjustments and focusing on high-impact tasks, you can reclaim valuable time and direct it toward your financial journey. Remember, effective time management is about working smarter, not harder, and it's a key ingredient for success. Habit 7. Giving back. Giving back to the community is a powerful habit that self-made millionaires embrace, recognizing the significance of philanthropy in creating a positive impact. Successful individuals understand that their wealth comes with a responsibility to contribute to causes they care about. By supporting their communities, they not only help those in need, but also foster a sense of fulfillment and purpose in their own lives. Many self-made millionaires prioritize giving back as a core value. For instance, Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, has dedicated much of his wealth to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, focusing on global health and education initiatives. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey has made significant contributions to various causes, including education and empowerment for underprivileged youth. These examples illustrate how philanthropy can be a driving force for change and inspire others to follow suit. As viewers, you too can find ways to support your communities. Start by identifying causes that resonate with you, whether it's volunteering your time, donating resources, or advocating for social issues. Every small effort counts and can lead to meaningful change. Remember, giving back not only enriches the lives of others, but also enhances your own journey toward success. Embrace the spirit of philanthropy and watch how it transforms both your life and the lives of those around you. In this video, we've explored the 7 essential habits of self-made millionaires that can pave the way for your financial success. We discussed the importance of goal setting, continuous learning, networking, financial literacy, resilience, time management, and giving back. Each of these habits plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset and actions, ultimately leading you toward a prosperous future. By adopting these habits, you have the potential to transform your financial landscape. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and grow. As you implement these strategies into your daily life, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these habits. Together, we can create a community focused on achieving financial freedom and success. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore the path to wealth and prosperity.